I'm going to show you a very good conceptual project in Bahçeşehir. Bahçeşehir is a fast developing area in Western Istanbul due to its proximity to grand project of Istanbul Canal Istanbul, which is basically an artificial strait like Bosphorus connecting Black Sea in the north to Marmara Sea in the south. Now, let me give you an overview of this project. Basically, this project has 3 phases, in total 21 blocks. And the first phase, which is the first phase, it is completed, delivered, it's sold out. Now, the second phase is under construction and it will be ready very soon. The payment plan in this project at the moment is great. You can pay 10% as down payment and 3 years installment plan you can avail. And there is this road between the first and second phase. Let me tell you, right now the second phase is being sold. So now this road between the first and second phase, this road goes straight to Istanbul airport, the new airport, and it's like around 20 minutes drive from here. So it is privileged with this location. Now let me take you to a little bit bigger model of the phase we are talking about. Now, so this is the second phase which we are talking about right now. And one unique thing about this project is it has a lively boulevard for cafes, restaurants, boutiques, shops, and it's on the ground floor and it goes like a street, a very lively boulevard. Now, this project stands out for multiple layout options and it's full-sized windows with modern facades. And the layout being offered, they are from 1-bedroom to 5-bedroom apartments where there is duplex for 4 bedrooms and 5 bedroom. So you have many options to choose from, and you can have a lifestyle, a modern lifestyle with a very privileged location. So that's it for now, and now we'll go see the sample apartment. Now we are going to sample apartment. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. This is the kitchen. And kitchen comes fitted with the Siemens electronic appliances. However, fridge, refrigerator is not included. But aspirator, stove, dishwasher and oven is included. And from the kitchen, there is a very nice size of balcony. And this balcony opens from kitchen and from lounge, from the living room. So now this is the living room. It's a decent size living room. You can check the color combinations, the quality of tiles, wooden flooring, and the doors and all these things. Now, this is the first room, kids room, and the size is fine. The height of ceiling is again good. First washroom, another room, another kids room, now this is the master bed, ensuite washroom, attached bath and a dressing.